Welcome to my FuelPHP review. If you're exploring frameworks for PHP, you've probably come across FuelPHP. FuelPHP is known for its robust features and clean architecture. Let's get right into it and see how it performs for modern web development. The first thing to note is that FuelPHP uses an HMVC, Hierarchical Model View Controller, pattern, which is a step beyond the traditional MVC. This can help streamline your application structure and make your code more modular and easier to manage. When you first visit the FuelPHP website, you'll notice that it is clean and minimalistic, providing all the necessary documentation and resources you need to get started. The setup process is fairly straightforward, and you can easily install it via Composer. FuelPHP is compatible with PHP 5.4 or higher, which means you're covered for most modern server environments. One of the standout features of FuelPHP is its built-in security system. It comes with advanced protection against CSRF, XSS, and SQL injection, making it a solid choice as security is a top concern for your application. It also has an authentication and authorization system out of the box, which can save you a lot of development time. The built-in ORM, object relational mapping, also makes database handling much easier, and it's designed to prevent SQL injection right from the start. FuelPHP's modular design is another huge advantage. The framework allows you to load only the components you need, so it keeps things lightweight and efficient. If you're working on a project that doesn't require all the bells and whistles, you can customize FuelPHP to your exact needs. The documentation provided on the website is comprehensive, with detailed examples and explanations, which makes it relatively easy for developers to learn the framework. However, it may take a bit of time to get used to the unique structure of FuelPHP, especially if you're transitioning from a more traditional MVC framework. Many useful links can be found in the description below. After watching this video, make sure to check those out for additional resources and helpful tools to enhance your web development skills. Overall, FuelPHP is a powerful and flexible PHP framework that can help you build secure and efficient web applications. If you're comfortable with its structure and are looking for a framework that's lightweight yet feature-rich, FuelPHP could be a great fit for your next project. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tips on web development. Thanks for watching.